I'm out here with the girls. I love this little grove of trees right here. Oh, they hear you whistling. Here they come. Coo, 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 coo. Mary, Gladys. Hi, Gladys. Good morning. Come on. Come on, Mary.
Where's the soft one?
Cornbread. Like a new one?
Yeah, really like that soft.
I'm doing a video.
There's cinnamon.
There's Cinnamon. Woo, she's pretty. There's Dottie, Buffy, and Legs. Mary, and oh, that was Buffy. Dottie, I said.
That's Buffy
Yeah.
right there.
He's a rooster. He's a rooster. Yes, he is. That's the squirrels right there. There's Charlie Horse back there.